Hi, I'm Jerry Romano. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipes that are easy to prepare and taste great. Today I'm going to be making Habas Blancas con Chorizo y Camaron, or white beans with sausage and shrimp. It's a fantastic dish which I think you're going to love. Chorizo is a great ingredient to cook with. It has so much flavor, and there are many different types, and in every Spanish country, they have their version which they like. You should use the one that you like. There's ones like this that are actually from Woodside, Queens, and then there's this one, which is a soft chorizo, which is imported from Spain, which I'm gonna be using in this dish. Here are the ingredients. Half a cup of dry small white beans, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of water. You have the option of using 1 cup of canned white beans, just use less salt. Half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, half a cup of chorizo, 12 large shrimp shelled, half a cup of white wine, salt, pepper, and paprika, and 2 sprigs of parsley. Well, pretty simple. Again, if you don't like sausage, this isn't for you. If you don't eat shrimp, this isn't for you. But if you like those things, this is absolutely delicious and really simple to put together. Come on, let's get started. I'm going to soak the beans in water with a little bit of baking soda. The baking soda makes them easier to digest and cook faster too. I'm going to add the beans that soaked overnight into boiling water for 20 to 30 minutes. Now add the olive oil to a medium-high skillet. Add the garlic. Gonna let that brown for a minute or so. Now add the diced up chorizo. Let's get that in there. Let's spread it around. Let's cook it up nice. Let those flavors blend with the olive oil. Okay, now we're ready for the shrimp. These are gonna cook quick, only a couple of minutes. Season with a little pepper and salt. I'm gonna add a little bit more paprika. The way you season it is entirely up to you. All right, let's give it a stir. You'll see those shrimp take on color really quickly. All right, now we're ready for the white beans that have been cooked and drained. Add a half a cup of white wine. Give it a stir. Blend everything together. Okay, looking good. And now for a little bit of freshness, we're gonna add a little bit of parsley. Another stir, and we're ready to plate this. Okay, let's get a nice couple of big scoops in here. I'm hungry. All right, we're gonna top it with a little bit of parsley. Doesn't that look nice? Well, I told you it was simple to put together. Let's have a taste. Muy bien. This is very, very good. I'm so glad I have a piece of crusty bread to soak up all those delicious juices in there that all blended together with the olive oil. Remember, all it takes to make delicious food is great ingredients, a little bit of technique, and lots of passion. Thanks for joining me today.